Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Yaris oil filter. Begin by safely lifting the car and securing it on jack stands, then place a drain pan under the oil pan and loosen the drain plug to remove old oil. Remove the old filter with the wrench, inspect the mount, lubricate the new filter gasket with fresh oil, install the new filter hand tight, and refill with correct oil amount. Loosen the drain plug carefully and let the engine oil drain fully into a pan, watching for hot oil and avoiding contact. Inspect the drain plug washer and clean the plug threads before reinstalling, tightening to the correct torque. While oil drains, locate the oil filter and prepare a rag to catch spills, and be ready to remove the filter once the flow slows to avoid splashing. Have new oil ready to pour. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice timers to your garage, so you can cue playlists and set oil change timers hands-free. It's compact and affordable, perfect for workshop life. Thanks for supporting independent creators. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After draining oil, remove the old filter carefully to avoid spills, and let remaining oil drain into the pan. Clean the mounting surface with a rag and smear fresh oil on the new filter gasket for a proper seal. Screw the new filter on by hand until snug, then tighten about 3/4 turn, and finally reinstall the drain plug to specified torque before refilling with the correct oil amount and disposing of old oil responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.